Alright, what you got? What you got here? I'm gonna try to one-hand this bad boy. Let's see what we got in here. Alright, let's get on the other side. Alright, almost there. I got it. Lift up. Let's see. The suspense is killing me. Oh my. What could it be? What is it? Let's see. It is a OneWheel Plus. Look at that. Speed, rideability, smoothness. Made in America. Alright. Alrighty then, let's see what's inside. We got the nice little handle here. Mobility. Let's see what we got. Bend it back. Another flap. Alright, we have a owner's manual. OneWheel. Meet the next generation. OneWheel Plus owner's manual. I feel so official now. We'll get to that later. A couple stickers. OneWheel. Good marketing there. Alright, now to the moment I have been waiting for. Took about 6 weeks for the thing to get here, and I can't wait to ride it. It's got that new rubber smell. We've got a pack of what looks like business cards. Now that's marketing. That's different. You don't see that every day. It's at least 25 in here. So here's a good shot of it. OneWheel. All right. We've got the charger here. Wonder if it has any juice. Alright. Here's a charger. And the OneWheel itself. Ooh, that's sticky. That rubber is sticky. Let's see if I can pull it on out. Yeah. Alright, there it is. The OneWheel Plus. Let's take a feel on the foot pads. That's pretty grippy there. It's basically sandpaper there, so you're not gonna fall off of that if you're firmly planted. All right, meet your front foot pad. All right, and it says get the app, but I already have the app in anticipation of getting this tank. It's built like a tank. You can hear it. You hear that? It's got some weight to it. So let's check out the LED lights here. Front and back. The underside. Let's see. It's got OneWheel. And that's pretty much it. My new OneWheel Plus.